Transplanting seedlings might seem like a daunting task, but fear not. With the right guidance, you can ensure your little plants take off like rockets. In this guide, we'll walk you through each step in simple, easy-to-follow language so you can enjoy bountiful harvests and lush gardens. Let's dive in. Preparing for transplanting. Before you even think about moving your seedlings, it's essential to prepare them and their new home. Start by selecting a sunny spot in your garden or a suitable container if you're planting indoors. Ensure the soil is well-draining and nutrient-rich. If you're using pots, make sure they have drainage holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging. Transplanting step by step. Now that your seedlings and their new home are ready, it's time for the main event, transplanting. Here's a step-by-step guide to ensure a smooth transition for your plants. Water your seedlings thoroughly a few hours before transplanting to help loosen the soil around their roots. Gently loosen the soil around each seedling, using a small trowel or spoon, being careful not to damage the roots. Dig a hole in the new planting spot or container that's slightly larger than the root ball of the seedling. Carefully remove each seedling from its original container, taking care not to disturb the roots any more than necessary. Place the seedling in the hole, ensuring that the top of the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. Gently pat down the soil around the seedling to secure it in place, being careful not to compact the soil too much. Water the newly transplanted seedlings thoroughly to help settle the soil and reduce transplant shock. Caring for transplanted seedlings. Congratulations, you've successfully transplanted your seedlings. But the work doesn't stop there. To ensure they continue to thrive and take off like rockets, here are some essential care tips. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged, especially in the first few weeks after transplanting. Protect your seedlings from extreme temperatures and harsh weather conditions by providing shade or shelter as needed. Feed your seedlings with a balanced fertilizer every few weeks to provide them with the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. Monitor your seedlings regularly for signs of pests or disease, and take prompt action to address any issues that arise. Gradually acclimate your seedlings to their new environment by gradually exposing them to increasing amounts of sunlight and outdoor conditions. Transplanting seedlings doesn't have to be intimidating. With a little care and attention, you can ensure your plants take off like rockets and thrive in their new homes. By following the steps outlined in this guide and providing your seedlings with the love and care they need, you'll be rewarded with bountiful harvests and beautiful gardens for years to come. Happy planting!